Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to put data for Webhook in N8N. First of all, you have to start a workflow. Click on Start from Scratch or navigate to the workflow you already created, then add the first step or right-click and add a node. Click on Webhook. Here you will have the configuration for your webhook. You can change the path or modify the configuration. For my case, I'll be keeping it the same. Now we are going to test this webhook. Click on the webhook URL to copy it, then click on Listen for test events and open a new browser window. Copy the URL and we are now going to send some variables to our webhook. After you copy the URL, add a question mark, then name the variable you want to add equals and put in the value you want to be sent. Hit enter and you will see a message saying that the workflow was started. As you can see here on N8N, we have successfully received the variable titled Spreadsheet. Now we can use this webhook to create, for example, a Google spreadsheet. Add a node for Google Sheets, select Create Spreadsheet, and add your credentials. I already have mine set up. Under Document Operation, choose Create, and then we are going to put the title as the webhook we received. Next, we are going to test the workflow again. Click on Test Workflow, reopen the browser window, copy the URL, and add your title variable. It doesn't necessarily have to be title, it can be anything else if you want to use it with other nodes. I will keep it the same for this example. Once again, the workflow was started, and as you can see here, our workflow has been successfully executed. You will notice that a spreadsheet has been created. We can verify this by refreshing the page, and you will see that a test spreadsheet has already been created. And that's it. Thank you for watching.